Okay, Doug, it's time to talk about the birds and the bees. On Wednesday, July 19th, the CHRISTA McAuliffe Branch Library was buzzing as it hosted Birds, Bees, and Butterflies presentation by Sudbury Valley Trustee Director of Stewardship, Laura MATTEI. Attendees learned how to attract pollinators to their gardens and how backyards and gardens can become great wildlife habitat. The free event provided several tips for increasing wildlife sightings around personal outside areas and highlighted a collection of photographs that introduced the audience to many of the winged creatures benefiting from nature-based gardening.
We're having a lecture tonight on birds, bees, and butterflies. It's going to be about pollinators in the garden, and it's kind of in collaboration with our seed lending library that we have at the library. We have one here at McAuliffe, we have a main one at the main library, and then we have one that travels with us where we lend out seeds, just like we lend out books and audiobooks and movies and that sort of thing.
My name is Debbie Pullen, and I work for Sudbury Valley Trustees. I'm the Membership and Outreach Coordinator there, which means that I put together a program calendar every spring and every fall for members and the public to have opportunities to connect with nature. So we plan many outdoor kind of outings and hikes and paddles and things like that.
For bees, you know, having a diversity of flowers really makes a big difference, just native plants in general, because bees use different types of plants. If you could do something other than a normal, quote, normal lawn that's just straight Kentucky bluegrass, you can get some clover in there. There's a lot of complexity out there that I think people don't realize sometimes. And there are some very pretty plants that are native, and if you can plant more of those pretty native plants, then we can help our local pollinators. So that could be bees or butterflies. You'll see different insects. So it can be a really fun way to redo your garden.
With the current environment and all the changes, it's important to keep them into the garden.
We find that the more people can experience and learn about the natural world, the more they'll care about protecting it before it's too late.